front of me is OPPO A83 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Security section. Then tap on App Encryption. Select Enable Encryption for over here if you want to lock all of those apps, and if you don't, just click on each one and tap on Enable Encryption 0. Then hit Other Encryption Methods and click on the best one for you. Following that, create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then answer this security question. And if you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those, or choose Customize your question and create your own. Then hit Use. Either way, when you finish, hit Done at the top right corner. Select Cancel or Use in Face Recognition pop-up, and to lock any app, click on Gray Switcher right next to it. Then go back. So when I try to open my app, I can see that app lock is now required. To disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings, select App Encryption and enter your app lock. Then use the same now green switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!